What's up YouTube? Carlo here, welcome to the vlog. We're doing a collab for the first time with Fresh. What's up? Oh, Pards, kumusta? Thank you for being here.
Yeah, I'm so blessed to have Sir Carlo, and the moment I saw his YouTube channel, I knew him before because I attended the Francis J. Kong conference at SM Aura.
That was way back, like a few months ago, or years ago.
I think that's 2015, the Francis J. Kong conference, and he's one of the speakers. And one thing that I learned, and it's still in my mind, in my mindset, in my perspective, is that if you want to do your passion, do your job at 8 to 5, do your job. Do your
7 to 1.
7 to 1, do your dream.
Build your dream.
Build your dream. So, and that pushes me, that motivates me to still do YouTube video. This moment, yes, we're going to talk about passion. So, there's a lot of misconception right now regarding about doing what you love and doing what you do. Some people look at Instagram, look at Facebook, and
they think it's easy.
And they think it's easy, it's fun, and it's a dream when you do something that you love.
But it's much harder than it looks.
Yes, and it's easier said than done.
Yeah.
And when you see videos regarding how to make money on YouTube, it sounds...
It's not as easy.
Yes, and it sounds like, wow, I'm gonna be a millionaire, I'm gonna be like PewDiePie, but that's impossible. But one thing that we want to share about you and to have the same perspective and mindset is that if you want to do your passion, you must have to always have a mindset of doing hard work.
Yes, agreed.
Do your hard work. And sir, what's your tip?
The trick in being able to do what you love and make money out of that is really the one that I talked to you about earlier, yung 7 to 1.
Yes.
So 8 to 5, you do your career, and 7 to 1, 7 p.m. to 1 a.m., that's where you build your dream. That's where you do your YouTube channel, that's where you do your startup, that's where you do your own business, or you side hustle, so that you're able to build an alternative like career or alternative source of income that can eventually replace what you're doing that you don't necessarily love to do. So for example, I'm a telco guy. I work for a telco. That's my like day job. I love it and I'm very happy with it, but I'm more alive when I do videos about shoes.
It's not about shoes. I think this is the most decent NMD.
Of all the NMDs?
Of all the NMDs, this 2018.
I think in terms of quality, yes, because I saw it earlier. But in terms of look and design, I disagree. But yeah, in terms of quality, I agree.
I don't like the look of the Racer and the STLT because it looks weird.
Yeah.
But somehow, this one looks regular, looks normal. So,
this is where like personal taste comes in, because you all have different like tastes.
Acquired taste.
Yeah. I love the Racer aesthetic.
Yeah.
The look, the dots that creep out from the bottom that go up. I think it's funky, it's nice. And at the same time, the more muted colorways that came out, yung black and white and white and black, I feel are easier to wear. But my problem with the Racer is that it's your typical generic material. Yeah. What I love about this one is when I saw it inside, the quality of the materials that they used, how comfortable it was. That's why I like this one.
Okay. So how did it feel?
Well, it was very comfortable to wear.
Compared to NMD R1?
Yeah, definitely, because I feel that the NMD line in general, while it has boost, it's not as comfortable, for example, as the Pure Boost or the Ultra Boost, because the boost layer is so much thinner. This one, what I think helped, apart from the boost, is how plush and how really cushioned the material is of the upper. So it's not your typical knit material that just clings to your foot. So it's like you're surrounded, your feet are surrounded with like pillows. So that's how
Yeah.
to do this.
The goal. So this is just a fast question and answer. So boost or react?
Boost.
Boost for life.
Hands down.
Hands
Boost for
down.
life. React is good for training, running, but everyday wear boost. Hands
Boost.
down.
Okay. Me also boost life. Android, Apple.
Android.
Android, right?
Android. Versatility, in terms of advancement, they're much faster now. Apple is a bit stuck.
Yeah, that's true.
Apple kasi has a tendency of just refining what's there. Android has a tendency of keeping moving forward. So that's what I like about it.
Apple. Marvel, DC.
Marvel.
Marvel.
Marvel. Even though I have a Batman statue at home, Marvel.
Marvel. You go. PS4, Xbox.
PS4.
PS4. You have your own PS4.
Yeah, PS4, definitely.
Yeah, me
2K18, 2K19. Hindi wrestling WWE.
So there you go. Just a quick fast facts. What he likes, what I like. Me also PS4. Now as we end the video, do you think the sneaker community is growing here in the Philippines? I do, because there are Commonwealth is expanding.
Yeah, they have multiple branches. And the new mall in
Eastwood.
no, there's a new mall pa. There's a new mall somewhere near the airport where all the resorts and casinos are. I heard all of them will be there. There will be Commonwealth, Soul Academy. So definitely it's growing, it's getting bigger.
It's getting bigger. And
But siguro the one thing that would be nice to tell the viewers is I think what's missing is people who create more videos. You know, we were talking about it earlier. We're just a few guys who do videos like this one. So if any of you are like aspiring to be like sneaker YouTubers, ako, go for it. It's so much fun.
go for it.
Yeah, I mean, and that'll be more. We're more than willing and happy to help you guys out. Diba?
Like,
We can do like
we're
videos
doing
like this
collab,
one.
we're helping one another.
We can post links to your YouTube channel.
Yeah. So that's how it is. Thank you, sir, for
Thank you then.
the
Thanks
support.
for having me. Oh naman. Thank you then.
And thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit that like button. And see you again on another video. Go check out my channel. It's fresh. And I'm going to also have a full review on the Future Pacer. I'm going to buy it Commonwealth. And see you again on another video.
Peace. God bless.